I pretty much like all projects. I enjoy the challenges. I enjoy learning something new every day. Beta works on a lot of unique projects, including GIS or gas insulated substations, standard substations, switch yards, factory-built substations. One of my favorite projects was a STATCOM project in Virginia. STATCOM projects regulate voltage and control power oscillations. It helps deliver more clean power. It was a relatively new technology. It came with a unique set of challenges. We spent a lot of hours trying to understand it, how to make it more efficient. No two substations are the same. You're always learning something new. Every piece of property that you've got to put a substation on is going to be different. Every customer is going to have different standards. Different areas of the country are going to have different requirements as well. So it's always something new to learn. That's one of my favorite things about working here is that no 2 days are the same. It's always something fun. It's always a new journey.